Hey, what's up my amazing viewers? It's your favorite traveler here, and today is a super special day. I'm traveling for the first time ever to London. Now I know you're thinking, London? That's so awesome! And you're absolutely right. I'm gonna be your personal travel guide to London, and I'm gonna show you from all the touristic spots to the hidden gems. So if you want to join me in this journey, hit the subscribe button and put the notifications on, because you won't want to miss a single second of the London trip. London, here I come! We have arrived officially in London. Well, not that officially though, because we're a bit far. The airport is called Stansted, so it's kind of like 1 hour-ish by public transportation, and we're gonna figure out how to go there, and I will also give you some tips for the public transportation here, so if you could use the tube or what to use. Alright, we got the tickets and it costs around £59, so it's to go and come back to the airport. Now we're going to London and we're gonna do our check-in to our hotel. Alright mates, you shouldn't use Oyster ticket to go to the airport, so make sure to buy the ticket. Alright, it took us a while to figure out the public transportation here, the tube. I mean, should you get an Oyster card? What should you buy? We figured out the best way is to just pay, like the single way, and one way is £3.7. So that's it. So we did the check-in, we ate this amazing chocolate cookie, and then we rested a bit, we had a shower, and now we're fresh! We're gonna have some afternoon tea downstairs in DoubleTree by Hilton Ealing, and then we're gonna go to explore London. A must do if you're in London. Have an afternoon tea in DoubleTree by Hilton Ealing Hotel. Let me show you all the varieties of a tea that you could have. I'm gonna decide now. Oh my god, you won't believe what happened. We got offered an afternoon tea here in DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel, and we thought, alright, I mean, we can have some tea. But guess what? The afternoon tea is not just a tea, like I thought. It comes the whole experience and it's incredible. It comes with sandwiches, with desserts, with cakes, and of course, let's not forget the incredible tea. I mean, when I just smell it, it's amazing, it's so delicious. I love it, truly I love it, this experience, and I would really recommend, if you're in London, you should definitely try the afternoon tea here. London is so beautiful! Look! London bus! Oh my god, friends, look at this view behind me! The skyscrapers in London. It's truly magical. I mean, I don't know, I don't have words. I'm in love with London. Let me give you some update. We went to the Ned and I was speechless. It's not just a bar or a restaurant. It used to be a bank. Like, actually, I will show you some images. And everything was so fancy. They have live music. Oh my god, I fell in love with the place. We had drinks and I'm so lucky that my dearest friend lives here, so she showed us around, and oh my god, I'm in love with London. Should I move in London? So now we will go to the London Bridge and I'm taking you with me. So let's go. But just before, as a reminder, in case you haven't subscribed to this channel and you want to see more of London, give it the subscribe button below and comment. We're thinking of doing this tomorrow, to take an Uber boat. Let's see. we are walking now towards the London Bridge. So exciting, and during the night, oh my god, the city is so alive. It's really magical just being here. I don't have words to explain it, but it's truly beautiful.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
Oh my god, look at this beautiful view behind me, the London Bridge. So iconic, and I'm so thankful I get to see it, to be here. My god, London is stunning, incredible. I can't believe that it took me a few years to come and visit it, but it's a really must visit. And I'm really excited for the next vlogs to come tomorrow, the next day. So this is the end of the vlog for the first day. I hope you enjoyed it, but if you want to see more of London, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and see you until the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.